Hello boys and girls, nice to have you back. Sam Skilz here. The last time we have seen the gain staging. Now we get to the next step, we call it the stereo panning. Make your mix sound wild and open and balanced before even to get to the mix down or to the arrangement. Let me show you this in a very simple way. Follow me. Okay guys, let's get one step forward again, and in this video we are going to focus on the panning, on the channel panning, to create an open stereo, like a natural open stereo. We have two channels. We're going to open the sound to sound a little bit things right, things in the middle, and things into the left. And to be able to listen to what we're doing right now, I suggest you strongly to use great headphones. Use headphones around 80 ohms, something that works in mediums very good. If you have a very good room that actually really nice sound, it works very well as well. But if you don't have really good room and you have a lot of noise around you, the best thing is to use a good studio headphones. Now, how to get started? Since the last time we got our pick around minus 9, as you see here, we have it minus 8, like to minus 3. This sounds very good. Now, I start with my drum kit. Here I have my drum group. I will put it on solo, so I can actually put a little bit the sound open. So this is my kick. My kick, if I go to my mix console, I see it here. The kick needs to be in the middle, cannot move it left or right, and this is the panning, the balance of the panner. Either you move it right or left. I will start with the open hat, for example. Here, let's say this open hat, I want to move them a little bit into the left. I will go a little bit more into 27, or just make it round to left 30. And I take the other open hat, so this channel I want to move it into the right. If I take away these three different channels, I just keep solo my kick and the open hat left and right. Let's hear what we get. Here, one left and one right in your headphones, and my kick in middle. Now I have my clap. If I use only one clap and I don't use any snares, I'll just keep it in middle. If I have snares and clap, I will just move a little bit into R14 right my claps, and my snares I will put them in the right way. But for now, the claps I'll just keep them in the middle, in the center. And see my other hat, I can go like 25 right, 27, that's fine as well. And the percussion, I put them left. Now if I put all together, you must hear things open, things coming from middle, from the center, things coming from the right, and things from the middle. So the drums actually is like a natural drums. It's like you have drums coming live in front of you. Okay, this is the first part, so how we pan the sounds. And of course, more hats, more snares we have. Try to put things right and left. The only thing you make sure that it's always in the middle is the kick drum, because the kick drum in the room, it has to be the same in every corner you dance or you play. For example, if that's why when you are in live bands, the drummer is always in the middle, because the kick drum has to come from the middle, and as much as the vocals. So the lead vocals have to be in the middle, and then the backing vocals can be left on the right. And then you have instruments. You have a bass line. The sub bass line should be in the middle, and then if you have synth bass line, then you can turn to left and to the right, as much as you do with the synthesizers and the pads, everything left and right, and you create this atmosphere, this stereo atmosphere in the room, and the sound get into the next level. Let's try now with the bass line. So we keep it in the middle, as I said, and the synth bass, I might take it a little bit into the left, Yeah, 23 is fine. I'll come to my synth. Then my synth, I take it a little bit more far to 32. The other synth to the left. To the same level since we have the same intensity. So you see, if I take the synths all together, now you see it's much more open than if I put both into middle. Let's open it now. Same thing with the pad. And the other pad. Probably the pad I will get a little bit more far, yeah, 36. Now let's put all together and you will hear that the sound, it's much more open and you can compare it with the sound before you do the panning and you see the difference. Now as you see, we haven't started any EQing, any effect, and we already have something much clean. And if we come to our stereo output, we check if we have any peak, if we have any peak. We're still doing very good, nothing changed. Now we're ready to go into the next step. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon again. Ciao!